Hi guys, it's me man, and today I'm in this tutorial for explaining, not a tutorial, just a video about explaining what is ToyHouse. ToyHouse is a platform where you can put characters and do such many things, and there's even HTML, HTML stuff and CSS CSS stuff, and that's very cool. So guys, I consider you to basically join this platform because this platform you can see many cool stuff. So you need a code for enter there, you need a code, you press register, you put your username, password, the password name, and make sure to put here bitrate, and then you have to put a code that you can go in a Discord server or something like that, and then you have to accept this. Then click here and you can join. Well, you already have an account, so for me isn't a problem. So you have just to log in as man. Here we go. So basically you can do stuff like this, favorite someone, and and uh, and subscribing like I'm doing. And in ownership you can see the character of the person, and what those belong to, and what you can do. So so we explain in another section what you can do. Alright guys, so here is a page where you can for example for the video about a page where there's on a user you can see a bulletin where it publishes various stuff, characters, links about characters, words that join, favorites like this ones, and there's just for example a warning. Like I'm doing favorite this unsubscribe like I mostly do. You can click here for a message and tap here, and you can authorize if for serial characters, and there's other options like commenting like this. Not everybody like me has this option activated, so if this doesn't appear, that means that the comment won't appear, and we're not happy to it and everybody else if you comment. But anyway, it's just a video about explaining about ToyHouse. Well, and for submitting, you can submit a character, and there's this stuff. Make sure to respect if you are the creator of the design, or that someone in the site made this, or someone offsite. And there's also the bulletin where you can make a thread, image, and you have to link, like in a previous video, build me character. There's niches where you can create a story, and then a world where you can create a world for everybody. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.